Troubleshooting a weak cellular signal on an LG phone. If your LG phone is receiving a weak cellular signal, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Start by checking the signal bars at the top of the screen. They indicate the relative strength of the signal your phone is getting from the cell phone tower it is connected to. You should be seeing at least 2 bars. If not, the signal is too low for reliable data speeds. Try using the phone in a different location. Next, check your phone's mobile data manager to see if there is a set limit for mobile data usage. To do this, tap Settings, then click Network and Internet, and go to Data Usage. Toggle on the Limit Mobile Data Usage option and tap OK. If limited mobile data usage is not the issue, press and hold the power button until the power options appear on the screen. Click to power off and then turn the phone back on. Another step is to turn airplane mode on and off. Tap Settings, then click Network and Internet. You will see the option for airplane mode. Toggle it on and then off. If the cellular signal is still weak, the network settings may need to be reset. Note that doing this will reset all the network settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. It will not delete any of your apps or personal data, but it will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. To reset the network settings, tap Settings, tap System, and select Restart and Reset. Then select Network Settings Reset. Click the Reset Settings button at the lower part of the screen. Click Reset Settings again. A quick notification on the screen will confirm if the network settings reset is successful. If the cellular signal is still weak, try removing your phone case. Some phone cases may cause signal loss if the case design blocks the internal cell antenna. Also, metal cases more effectively block radio waves, and therefore may degrade the signal quality. If your phone displays a stronger signal without the case, get a different phone case. If the signal is still weak, check for carrier updates to keep your phone system current. Tap Settings. Go to System and select System Updates, then select Update LG Software. If there are available updates, accept them and wait for them to complete. If after trying all these troubleshooting steps, the weak cellular signal still remains, you should back up your personal data and perform a factory data reset. For instructions, please see our factory data reset video linked in the description. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.